Let me give one other book recommendation because I read a book that no one's read. I know no one's read it. It's called The Wizard of Ads. The Wizard of Ads. And it's this guy that used to be an ad agency executive, and he would just write letters to all of his clients. And it's a collection of all the different letters. The Wizard of Ads. It really does start with compelling copy. Now, the reality is the images matter too. The call to action matters too. The landing page and the destination matters too. But I think people could level up. Like if you read enough MLS descriptions, right, you start to see that people are not using the most variance copy. Everything's a cute, charming bungalow. You know, everything has the same verbiage. Like get a thesaurus. You know, every time you go to write a description for the MLS, grab a thesaurus and see if there's 3 ways you can say that without saying it the way you've always said it. I just think it's good advice. The Wizard of Ads. People will love that book.
Awesome. I'll put that book in the chat for everyone.